You have reached Frank and Gord's Excellent Off-Road Adventures YouTube channel. We are off on another adventure, so please enjoy the following video.
Hey YouTube, welcome to Frank and Gord's Excellent Off-Road Adventures. Today we bring you a surprise. Actually, we ordered some hip waders and a full wader set with the jacket from Finntrail. So we're going to be unboxing this today, and it came just in time for us to head down to our Hatfield and McCoy trip. So we'll be doing an unboxing, and when we're down there, we're going to do a full review on how the waders actually compare to some of the products that we've had in the past. So please hit like, subscribe, and that alert bell, and please leave any comments down below in regards to the product, and we'll answer them the best we can. So let's get started. Actually came pretty quick, considering it came all the way from Finland. We got this in like a week and a half. Let's see what goodies they have in here for us. Nicely packaged. Waterproof materials. These are the gloves that we ordered. Take these out, have a better look at them. Well, they look like very durable material, that's for sure. So that's the gloves. It even looks like they give you a bag to actually carry your waders in. Kind of neat. And your Finntrail strap for it as well. And it looks like they even give you an instruction kit for repair for the breathable waders. Comes with a full-size patch, obviously, that you can cut to whatever size you need should you make a puncture in your materials, and it comes with, looks like, some sort of contact cement. And what else did it come with? Oh, a nice little pouch for a cell phone holder or any kind of small electronic device that you want to keep waterproof as well. And I believe that when we open up the waders, I believe there's a pocket in the front where this can slip into as well. And it's got a little lanyard here as well, so obviously you can't lose it. Very nice touch. So Finntrail has all kinds of different setups for your waders, jackets, separate boots if you wanted to have the neoprene sock in them. We chose on both our sets that our hip waders have the integrated boots in them, and that's what we got here. So although they look so pretty tall, you have to remember that you have to have some room in the leg and crotch area when you're sitting in the machines. These are really specifically designed, I believe, more so for the ATVing. That's why we looked at them. So it's got some zippers here. Again, we were talking about that pouch. It's a double pouch, and you'll put your gear in there. Very nice. So that's the waders part. Let's see what else we have in here. We have our jacket. All nicely packaged too. Very nice. And it has a roll-up hood that's velcroed down underneath the collar of the jacket. Looks like very breathable material, lightweight too, and you've got extra pockets in the jacket as well. Very nice. Nice. And again, these are just the waders without the jacket, and it's not going to open this. It's almost identical to the other set, and they come in different colors and models, and you can actually, they have a very very good scale in doing proper sizing for what you need. And that's it. We'll see you on the trails. Please hit like and subscribe, and we will get back to doing a full review after riding with these on the trail and let you know what we think of them compared to other brands. Thanks.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell for alerts to get notifications of our next video.